Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to review Nothing Phone 1. So please watch the full video. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more tech videos. Now let's get started. The Nothing Phone 1 Mobile was launched on the 12th of July 2022 and it nailed the basics. The Nothing Phone 1 has a 6.55 inches touchscreen display that comes with 120Hz refresh rate. The Nothing Phone 1 offering a full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels with providing the good colors. The hardware is so reliable and comes with Android OS based and packs 128GB and 256GB of inbuilt storage. The Nothing Phone 1 runs Android 12 and powered by a 4500 mAh battery which lasts over a day. And if we talk about its camera, the camera takes great photos and comes with the rear packs of dual setup that featuring a 50 megapixels and a 16 megapixels camera. The rear camera setup is autofocused. It has a single front camera setup for selfies and featuring a 16 megapixel sensor. The connectivity options of this phone includes Wi-Fi 802. It has USB Type-C for fast charging. The sensors on this phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, and proximity sensor. It has also an in-display fingerprint sensor and the clean software. If there is potential for greatness here, then also the phone isn't without shortcoming. The distinctive design with LEDs at the back is quirky, but there's no way to customize the lights. The screen is good for daily use, but the ambient light sensor of the phone is erratic. The software is clean and bloat-free, but you'll come across bugs. On the whole though, the Nothing Phone 1 does just enough to set itself apart in this category, and that is no small feat. So guys, this is our short review on Nothing Phone 1. If you like this video, let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. We will meet you soon with another video. See you guys later.